What's up, y'all? Got some small lemons on my lemon tree right there. Okay. Pressure washer. Gentleman called me, say, yo, I need a pressure washer. Just so happened, I happen to have two. But problem is, I have not started these in a long time. There go your model number and everything. This Briggs series, I think this was well, one good thing ain't got no petrol in it. I thought I didn't take the petrol out, which was what it was. So could be savable. I'm gonna have to hook the water hose up to it. I just found the one that goes to it. Took me a minute, but I have to put the water hose to it because I don't want to start these and have that pump going without that water. So that'll be my next thing. That seems to work pretty good. Primer bulb feels good. I'm thinking, at least I'm hoping, that on this job all I have to do is put gas in it. Because also for here, I do not have the little gasket for that one. There's a little gasket under here with the straw going down into the tank, and it sucks it up. Okay. I gotta hook the water hose up to it, then we can test it out. That's what I'm saying. Hopefully, this one just, what they say, plug and play, in and out. Hopefully. Usually never happen like that, but I hope so, because like I said, I put these away. You know, I took all the water out of them so they wouldn't crack, and I put these away. So hopefully it paid off, me taking care of them in the winter.
No, I thought it was a part that was on there. I got it now, man.
Yeah. Okay, let me put some pads in here. Yeah. Full tank of petrol. Get back on there. That's what I say. I'm hoping that, because I did take the gas out of it, because I did think, I really thought I had made a mistake and left the gas in it. Oh, I also hooked up the water hose. You can see it's dripping right there because with no gasket in there. I'm gonna have to use this little bucket here while I pull on it. Y'all can kind of see. Oh man, I lost which color. Oh, it's in my pocket. Okay. A little sock for my mic. All right, y'all. Oh, also ready. Check the oil. No, there's something too. Just in case somebody don't have it, they can see it. They got this same model number. That's the operating instructions. I'm still on them. Still on it. All right, hopefully this will start for me. Okay. Well, that's one good start, but I didn't get nothing out the one. I'm gonna have to break it loose here and see if I was getting water through it. Or was it, or it could be stopped up. So I gotta check both of them, see why I ain't getting no water coming through it. I got lucky, got real lucky. On the one here, my nozzle was stopped up. I blew it with air. I don't have it running right now. Wish y'all could hear that, but look at that. See that? See that liquid? I can do this here and water my garden at the same time. But yep, see that water? It's coming through nicely, and I'm loving it. I can go ahead and call it gentleman now and tell him come on and pick it up. I like these easy ones. They far between, you know. I also got to go cut that water off. But it's far in between that I get a real easy one. But this Briggs and Stratton 500 series. I'm looking for the name. Maybe it was on the plastic here. I don't know. I don't know what the name of the pressure wash is. But oh well, it'll still work. Dud brought back. Thank y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.